I wanted to do a review because I had an outstanding, amazing, magical, literally experience with this interior design course. And I researched so many programs online, and I'm freaked out about all of them. I'm like, what do they know? What could they possibly teach me online? I mean, with COVID going on and us not being able to go to the classroom, how is this going to work? I just didn't think it would be hands-on, and I thought, I was terrified. And to be honest, I don't even know if I'd ever want to do in the classroom again. It was beyond hands-on. It was wonderful. Wanda is, she is so supportive and passionate and encouraging. And she's so inspiring. And everyone affiliated with this program is the same way. And I wish I could take it again. I wish I would do like another level and another level. So if you're contemplating doing this program, please do it.